Welcome to the final phase of your construction journey, where every detail matters. It's time to dive into the art of finishing cleaning work. With Mela Detergent and Cleaner products on our side, we're going to make your space shine brighter than ever before. Let's start with Mela Ceramic Cleaner, a powerhouse for cleaning and restoring the luster of your ceramic surfaces. This gem is designed to tackle tough stains, leaving your tiles and countertops sparkling like new. It's the secret weapon in your cleaning arsenal that you never knew you needed. Moving on to Mela Glass Cleaner. This is your ticket to streak-free, crystal-clear glass. It effortlessly wipes away smudges, leaving nothing but clarity in its wake. It's like having a window to a cleaner, brighter world. For those hard surfaces that seem impossible to clean, we have Mela Hard Surface Cleaner. This product fights grime, grease, and stubborn dirt, leaving your surfaces spotless and gleaming. It's like having a personal army battling the dirt for you. Marble surfaces require a gentle touch, and that's where Mela Marble Cleaner comes in. It maintains the natural beauty of your marble, ensuring it stays as elegant as the day it was installed. It's like a spa treatment for your marble surfaces. Last but certainly not least, we have Mela Bleach, your ultimate ally in disinfection. It keeps your spaces not just clean, but safe and hygienic. It's like having a shield protecting your space from germs. Whether you're putting the finishing touches on your dream home or wrapping up a commercial project, Mela Detergent and Cleaner products are your partners in achieving perfection. With Mela, you're not just cleaning, you're creating a masterpiece. Experience the Mela difference in construction finishing cleaning. Make your space not just clean but Mela clean. With Mela, you're equipped with the best tools for a pristine finish, ensuring every corner, every surface, every detail shines with perfection. So why wait? Visit our website now, explore our complete range of products, and let Mela transform your cleaning routine. At Mela, we believe in cleanliness that meets perfection. Visit our website to explore the complete range of Mela Detergent and Cleaner products. Mela, where cleanliness meets perfection. Until next time, happy finishing!